Hello folks, I'm inside of my work trailer doing a video for you. I did receive recently ultra bright version of Sky monitor. It's here, and the very first problem what I have, you see this is Mavic controller and monitor attached to a Mavic controller upside down. And when I try to go to a settings on a screen, I can't find a monitor settings. But what I have to do, I have to press a middle button, and it gives or it's lead you into a settings section, and you could flip over your monitor from a normal position into upside down position, and controller comes into normal. Let's see it, how it comes. Okay, you see it booting, and it is upside down or downside up. Alright, and when it's boot, it came to a very normal position, and it is super bright. The camera adjusts light by monitor, and you see it got darker. Let me put a monitor down, and now you see me and my face. Again, I'm putting monitor up, and camera automatically adjust darkness. Thanks for watching. Now we go flying. Right now, I place camera on a tripod, and behind is a Mavic. It's concrete rock with armored steel. So behind the camera, what is observed now, there is magnetic interference. All right, that is a picture from a drone. Let me do some experiment with the sun. Okay, sun is over there. Now I am turning facing the sun, and this is a picture of a monitor. You see how bright it is? I could be even with my sunglasses on, and I see picture crystal clear. So that gives me protection against flies. Okay? All right, it's time to land. That way I screw your head and stop motors. Mavic is landed. And this is a picture on a CrystalSky. What you see right now from a Mavic. I'm not recording on a Mavic, but I'm recording on a Sony camera. Let me turn camera on a sunshine. It's very close to a sunset. And now sun facing monitor. And this is a picture from a monitor and glare or reflection of a sunset on a monitor. So far I'm happy.